Hey Penelope, are you all dressed up for the boat?
Yes.
All right, excellent.
Cover me up.
Papu, and then the car. You excited for the boat?
Super excited.
Super excited for boat? Where'd Greer go?
I don't know.
Hey Pip, you ready for the boat trip? Here we are. There's Darren and Mary down there.
You forgot your scarf? Okay. Hang on.
Looks like the old restaurant finally got repurposed to the Tall Ship Institute and Small Boat Center. They've painted it all up and done it up. That's nice to see this back in use. Here we are, everybody's boarding the boat. We got a 12-person one, extra room.
It's a nice big boat.
Penelope and Charlie. All right, here we get on there on the boat again. The annual electric boat rental, and there's Mr. Chips, our friend.
It's beautiful.
This is the best.
This is your,
There we go.
this is your first family boat ride.
Liz not happy about the life jackets. We're trying to distract her with waterfowl. Oh, there's a duck right in front. We're gonna hit the duck. Oh no, we're gonna hit the duck. We're gonna hit the duck. We're gonna hit the duck.
Do you guys have to take a ferry to school? You say yes.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
No, actually, when Cassie's sister was thinking about going to Channel Islands, I was like, so she would live on the islands?
Well, no, actually, when prospective students come their tours, they say, wait, where's the island? I thought the school was like on the ocean. It's okay.
We would drive 2 hours to play soccer at the American
Southern Star, and just beyond the Southern Star is Southern Cross. Sorry, is Toppers. Toppers will reveal itself momentarily.
Garbage?
Toppers. And Mackie is going to navigate us under this dangerous bridge.
You go to like a tanning bed.
We should have a white off.
No, I won everything. I might win.
And Mary might win.
Definitely not. My sister's white.
Mila's enjoying the good life.
You're both extremely pale.
Like you could put her next to that boat.
Free, get him over here. Here's Pip steering. Pip, you doing a good job steering?
You almost.
Pip. We're on the dock. You ready? You ready, Skipper?
Hey, you want to go take this to the trash can?
Yeah, go to that trash. Very good.
Oh, let's go.
There's the tunnel. The tunnel. Fun tunnel. Tunnel fun.
Yeah.
Whoa, look at that.
Very scary.
That thing.
Uh-oh.
That's what you fell on yesterday, something exactly like that.
It was like an umbrella stand.
That was for sale.
There's you
I was
too.
the first one to take the seat to the tower.
Did those little stuff on the lamp? That's cool. So you did a good job.
Yeah,
That's
sticky.
good.
What about him?
One on the lamp.
Yeah, what about him?
I'm saying is that the sea turtle that was hidden on top of the lamp by the left hand?
Oh no, that's a different sea turtle. That's actually hers. Taylor gave that to her
Is the grandma?
as a goodwill gesture after scaring her.
Where'd Penelope go? Where's Penelope?
Where's Penelope? Ah, there she is.
We know what they like.
Yeah, we may as well just get it.
'Cause
So what does any family do after going on a boat trip? They go to Starbucks in Channel Islands. Here we go, here we go. Alright, we're going to do a beach walk now, right?
Beach walk, on the way to a
Beach walk.
Oh, I need sunglasses? Maybe I do.
I don't know.
Shouldn't have sunglasses for family picture, right?
How are we doing a family photo? We come out here and there's the ship from Philadelphia that's usually in the harbor. Is out there. Oh, there's Mackie. Oh, there's Tanya. And Greer. Greer, stop. Look towards me. Look, no, face me. Put your hands up in the air like a Y. Okay, move over to your left a bit. A little bit more, one more step. Okay, now go down low. Low. Put your hands closer together. No, not right together, but okay, put your hands a little over to your left. A little more. There, perfect, Kato. Alright, so it's Clark's first time at the beach, and he's not quite sure. He's trying to figure out what the ocean is. Clark enjoying his beach. There he goes.
Water came way up high.
Yeah.
us for a little.
There's Mila, the beach.
Yeah, watch her, little bum. She'll jump right in.